Violent protests erupted in Rajasthan's Tonk district after dissident Congress leader Naresh Meena was arrested over a viral video in which he was seen slapping the sub-divisional magistrate. The slapping incident came to light amid the bypolls to 31 assembly seats in the state on Wednesday. Now, even as a video clip of the assault went viral, this defiant Meena continued to sit on a dharna on Thursday. He called his supporters to the scene, and tension soon gripped the area after his supporters erupted in protests after he was picked up. Here's what went down in Rajasthan.
A day after a slapping incident in Tonk during the Rajasthan Assembly bypolls, dissident Congress leader Naresh Meena was arrested for assaulting the sub-divisional magistrate. The arrest followed high drama during which the defiant Congress rebel leader continued his sit-in and called his loyalists to the scene. A viral clip showed Meena, who put himself in the fray as an independent, slapping the official on bypoll duty and threatening him. After a video clip of the incident went viral, a heavy police contingent entered Samvrata village and arrested Meena. Amid the furore over the incident, Rajasthan Administrative Service Association demanded the cancellation of Meena's candidature, threatening a pen-down strike if he was not arrested. Meanwhile, Meena sat on a dharna at the Samvrata village, asking his supporters to gather around him and challenge the administration.
और मैंने थप्पड़ मारी है, मैं मानता हूँ, और उसके मैं दुखी हूँ कि उसकी एक पड़ी, उसकी दो पड़नी चाहिए, और ये इतनी एकड़ी में है, ये गुंडा मानता है अपने आप को, वही गुंडागर्दी कर रहा था, जबरदस्ती वोट दिला रहा था। मैं उन जाट भाइयों से कहना चाहता हूँ जो इसको जाति का मानते हैं, अगर ऐसा मानते रहे तो कल से इस देवली उनेरा में एक नारा दिया है मैंने कि अगर कोई अधिकारी कर्मचारी भ्रष्टाचार करेगा, कोई किसानों से आमजन से अगर रिश्वत खाएगा तो उसको नरेश मीणा काला मुंह करके गधे पे बिठाएगा।
Soon, the dharna took a violent turn as police arrived to arrest him. Complete chaos descended on the area as a police team arrived to arrest the dissident leader. Meena's supporters pelted stones at the police station and while also getting 2 police vehicles on fire. Following his arrest, his supporters resorted to a fresh wave of violence, engaging in arson on the highway. As many as 60 people were also rounded up in connection with the violent protests, while the police lobbed tear gas shells to bring the situation under control.
अब तक का जो घटनाक्रम है उसमें कल जो घटनाकारी थी उसके बाद में 4 प्रकरण दर्ज किए गए हैं और इन प्रकरणों में अभी तक जो है 60 व्यक्तियों की गिरफ्तारी की गई है और इनका मेडिकल और इनका जो टेक्निकल एविडेंस के बेस पे इनके खिलाफ जो अरेस्ट के बाद जो बाकी लोगों का उनको भी गिरफ्तार करने की कार्रवाई जो है की जा रही है।
Meanwhile, former Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot questioned the BJP's governance of the state in the wake of the violence.
जो कल की घटना बड़ी दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण घटना है। अब कल की घटना के बाद में आप बताइए सरकार का इकबाल बचा है क्या? सरकार का इकबाल होता है गवर्नेंस के लिए, शासन तब होता है तब अच्छा गवर्नेंस में इकबाल बना रहे। इकबाल ही खत्म हो गया। आप जो घटना घटित हुई है कल, वो मामूली घटना नहीं थी। एसडीओ लेवल के अधिकारी को आप थप्पड़ लगाए कोई व्यक्ति, ये स्थिति बनी क्यों?
As the opposition corners the ruling BJP on the issue of law and order in light of the incident, the onus is on the government to probe if there was incitement behind the violence.